What's going on, guys? We're recording for today's episode. Today we're gonna yes. So please don't flash that. And let's go and let's play. Hope I won. If I lose, this is gonna be B. I don't know. I don't supposed to. But so we need to be faster. Oh my God! One diamond axe. That's nice. But first, we need to be faster. No! Hate you! My first Skywars. Oh my gosh. Let's teleport. You killed me, stupid. You're a hacker, Zika. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're a hacker. Such a hacker. Such a hacker. Such a hacker. Okay. If he beat us, so we're gonna be. Nope. Oh. Go! Stupid bitches. So, this is my failed Skywars, guys. So, the first one, and I died. So, bye. Lol.